Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to find or change your Cash App PIN. Open Cash App and log in using your account credentials. Connect your bank account and finish setting up your profile if you haven't already. After logging in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From your profile page, scroll down to Account Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. When you first set up your account, Cash App will prompt you to use Touch ID, Face ID, or create a cash PIN. To view or change your PIN, tap Change Cash PIN. At this point, the app will ask for your current PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID, and then allow you to set a new PIN. And that's how you find your Cash App PIN. The steps are the same whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.